Maryjane here from Choose Your Grooves, with ways to step into the feeling of awe. Today I'll demonstrate it with a very ordinary piece of bread. So why would you want to step into awe? Awe is that feeling when you look at the stars and you realise how very, very, very tiny we are, and simultaneously that we have this immense power flowing through us, that we are a part of this universe and the life that it is. It's a feeling of the mind, the brain not being able to fully grasp and turning itself sort of inside out in an effort to. It's a big wow. And it's a great feeling because through awe, we find a reverence for life. And through reverence, we live with respect and love for each other, for this planet, and for all life. And that is my desire, my goal, my aim. And I want to share that with as many people as I can, because we are magnificent. You are a magnificent being. And we are on this amazing jewel of a globe. And we have so much potential to live here creatively, joyfully, peacefully, happily, together. With clean air, clean water, with abundant food. We can do this. So let's step into awe, reverence, joy, with this piece of bread. This piece of bread contains within it all the elements of the universe. The wheat that grew has elements of the soil within it that nurtured it. It has elements of the clouds in it that carried the rain that fell on the soil, that were taken in by the plant. It has elements of the sun, the moon, the starlight, that all inspired the wheat to grow up. It has within it elements of the air that it takes in to the pores of its leaves, the pores of our skin. This same air is shared. Not only that, not only does this piece of bread represent the entire universe, it also contains the accumulated wisdom of our ancestors who first planted grain, who had the idea of taking the grain and pounding it to a powder, and then mixing that powder with water, leaving it in a warm place, and then cooking it. Et voila! So as we take this bread into our mouths, we take the universe into our bodies. We take our ancestors with us. And this bread is transformed into these physical bodies, these wonderful, wonderful vehicles we have. This makes me feel awe. This gives a feeling of being part of life through all time and space. And that is what I want to share with you. And I would love it if you would write in the comments below things that you find awesome, or ways that you like to generate the feeling of awe within you. So give a big thumbs up for the feeling of awe, and I'll see you in the next video. Maryjane here, by the way. See you later.